This is gonna be a shout out to Nathan, because as he made a video for me, so I'm making one for him. So this is for you, and his YouTube channel is nbigum1, so make sure you go check out his channel.
Do the monorail. Isn't that the machine for the monorail?
Yeah, that's the drive for it, yeah.
Monorail. Hello, how you doing? Good. She was asking a question, and she was answering it. Okay.
You want to sit here?
That'd be fine. Actually, I think I want to stand so I can get the picture.
I would stand. I think I do too.
We gotta meet him in the lobby of our motel too.
Yep. That's right.
Is this where we're going, Daddy?
The front door is going to open.
Daddy, we go here.
Yep.
All right, thanks. You too. That was a good trip to Mud Island, wasn't it, TJ?
Yep.
Yep. And this is where we just were. This is the drive motor. If we get it from here. Yep, this is the drive motor for the monorail. And these are the big pulleys. So what happens is, this motor starts up. One of them is parked here. There's two. One of them's parked here. There's something there that does it. One of them's parked here, and one of them is parked at the other side at all times. When the motor starts up, here's the actual motor. Actually, this is the diesel. No, this is electric motor, I think. Maybe a diesel generator. There's the actual motor across there, I believe. Yep. And then when it starts up, one of them comes back here, and this one leaves from here. And these big pulleys are what actually make it all happen. And then there's where the monorail car goes. See, that's its track that it leads on. Goes this way.